In this class, I will teach you the basics of digital lettering. You'll learn how to make a piece from drafting to inking in the Procreate app. Now, I believe the best and the most fun way to learn is through application. So we'll take that piece we created together and make 4 new versions of it, each one teaching you how to use different features. After the class, you'll have a better understanding of lettering basics, and you'll be able to apply these digital techniques to your own artwork. Hi, I'm Jillian, and I love teaching digital lettering because it truly feels like magic, and I want you to be able to experience it too. I took my first calligraphy class when I was 11 years old with my twin sister Jordan, and since then we've taught tens of thousands of students in our online calligraphy courses for both traditional and digital lettering. So whether you're new to lettering or the iPad or both, there's something in this class for you. Let's get started.